If you have noticed changes in your skin after weight loss, after pregnancy, or simply just from getting older, there are non-surgical options designed to help restore firmness and definition. And joining us today, it's Dr. Mary Hu with Crystal Clear TMG Sleep and Aesthetics. And we're talking about Xerf. And I know you told us that you do more Xerfs in your office, and you're going to know what a Xerf is in a moment, than anyone else in town. So let's talk about it. What is Xerf?
Yeah, so it's a new machine that we were one of the first to have it, and it's a multi-frequency RF, the first in the world. So what that means is we're able to go into all the layers of the skin, and it travels along the fibroseptal network instead of relying on a needle or cannula. So that means you don't have to get numbed, and it's painless, and there's no downtime, and it doesn't affect fat loss, so then you retain the suppleness, and also it provides instant lift and instant tightness.
Instant lift, and this is for the face, or can it be used anywhere on the body? I know we saw some video right there. We're looking at a belly button there, so obviously we're seeing anywhere in the body.
Yeah, so because of the no downtime and no numbing, it's actually ideal for the body because you have to sit down, right? If you do it on the face, you can heal, but if you sit down, it's not going to be very comfortable.
And more than ever, people have loose skin.
Yeah.
And I know we can attribute that to weight loss or aging. Obviously, gravity is never our friend.
Yes.
So there are a lot of different people that are candidates.
Yeah, so we're seeing now that we're recognizing, obesity is not good for our health. So some people are doing GLP-1 and, to look better and feel better. But unfortunately, with all the weight loss, they have a lot of excess skin, so they end up looking older. And so it's they're a perfect candidate for the Xerf because it helps tighten up the skin and just give you like a more youthful appearance.
And one of the things that you and I discussed is that you approached it from a patient perspective. You personally thought, I would like to find something that's non-invasive, less painful than some of the options, but still very effective. And we're seeing before and after. And I mean, there you go, right there, right?
Yeah, so we have gotten amazing results. Like we can even fix surgical results. Like say, blepharoplasty, if it's uneven, we're actually going to fix it with the Xerf, which is amazing because, like I said, no downtime, and it actually stimulates collagen and elastin. It's literally reversing aging instead of masking it. So your skin is literally healthier. And because there's no downtime, you can actually keep up with it. Because what I found is that, I've tried a lot of different things out there. Some things are safer than the others. But, by the time you get to the third or fourth treatment, if it hurts, you're not going to want to do it. But we constantly age, so it's not something you get done and you're done with. So it's something you want to keep up with, and something like this is healthy for you, and there's not really anything bad about it. So it's just, it fits into your schedule really well.
All right, well, if you would like to learn more, I feel like we just learned quite a lot, but the best thing to do would be to come and speak with Dr. Hu and her team, and you can do that by going to ccdentalspa.com because they do so much more than the Xerf there. Obviously, we would have to spend a lot more time to get into everything, but go to ccdentalspa.com to learn more. And Dr. Hu, thank you so much.
Thank you so much for having me.